We're back. Mickey has just put the supporting 10-inch tall pieces of wood, the 2x6s, Mick?
Yes, 2x6s.
Nicely done. We're supported on 6 different sides, including all 4 corners. Fantastic. Now, when we're on site, we're always making sure that that factory knows that the door to the mechanical closet has to have the front completely exposed, correct?
Correct, for serviceability.
Because everything is serviced out the front?
Yes.
Okay. And how many inches back from the door do we need for that transition to the line set typically do you see?
Typically, you want at least 8 inches.
Okay, from the back of the door to the front of the air handler.
Correct.
Okay, and then so in this case, this is the mechanical closet and the door to it would be here because this unit we're about to pick up and set right here.
Correct.
Okay. You know, we're always talking airtight.
We are.
Go ahead, tell us what we're going to do.
Well, again, we've taped up all the edges of this to keep it airtight. Now, we're going to put a bead of silicone caulk all the way around on this interior of this blue line that'll line up with the bottom of the air handler. We're going to do 3 sides. We're not going to do the front side because that is where our air filter goes in and out. So we need to keep that open. But otherwise, if you don't want to do the silicone caulk at this point, you can also use the butyl tape after this is set and you have it in your appropriate spot that you know you're going to live with, and then tape it down. Another alternative is to put some L brackets on there if you want to go that way, but that's not airtight. What we're going for here is airtight.
Oh, my
Get your
fault,
corner, huh?
brother. My fault.
You good?
I'm just about there, yeah.
Okay, let it down. I got it.
Move it a little. Ooh, you were almost perfect.
There you go.
You good?
I'm good.
All right. Oh, that's fantastic.
So now we have it set. We had our pre-drawn lines. This thing is set in place. And again, service side is right here. The door to our closet is somewhere in this range here.
Right here.
Anybody that comes in to service this, for when we put our line sets on, to charge the system, to turn anything on,
Clean the drain.
clean the drains, which also, by the way, we'll go over this later, but this is your drain hole. These are your line sets. Your in, your out, your liquid line,
Suction line.
and your suction line. This is where your air filter is. These wing nuts come off. Filter slides in and out. Make sure that when we put this trap on, we come over here and around the side so we're not blocking that. Otherwise, that's it.